We have here is a bag from Amazon with the bird training leash in it. But we're not going to open it. We're going to let these guys open it in their own time. What's this? Yeah. Can you open it for us? Want Daddy to open it? You gonna help me open this? Oh, they took off. You gonna help me? Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here then. We got a smarty cat who can get this open now. Little kid's toy. Try and put it back together. Watch who zooms over here and take it back apart. There, put it back together, but the master smith over here, Pickles, he'll just like to take it all back apart. Thank you. Yeah, we've got to get it open somehow. Fiona's just pretty brave, pretty good at opening stuff, aren't you, Fiona? You gonna help me out here, guys? Look what's happening behind us here. Watch this guy get this open. Can you help me out? Fiona's still over here trying to get this open for us. Did you see him open that? Yeah, that's why I can't keep nuts in there, because you eat them all. And then you threw it down there again. How we doing on the opening there, Fiona? Any luck? Get it. Good girl. Well, I'm going to put this over here. Let me open it up a little bit and see if they're going to go inside and get that out of there for us. It's not supposed to go inside, Pico. You got to go on top. You got to go inside to get the stuff out. I think you're having too much fun playing with the bag. Can you see what's in the bag? You guys can figure it out. Are you going back over there to the cheese bowl again? Throw yourself some peanuts. Put that inside of the Pickle's favorite toy there. See if he's gonna get it out. What's in there, Pickles? Oh, is that a box for you? Yeah, that's something for you. Get it out. Yeah, Pickles. Can you say Pickles? No, I guess he's done tearing that apart for now. Leave it and see what happens, I guess. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. How are you? Peekaboo. No peekaboo today? How about hello? Hello? No hello? Fiona. Are you back at your box there, Pickles? No, because you're watching me. I'm not going to do it. What's in the box, Pickles? What you got? What you get? Huh? What's in the box? Box to his favorite play toy area, and he seems to think, hey, this must be one of my new toys, and he's getting to it. I'm sure he'll get it apart soon. Open it up and find out what's inside. Good boy, Pickles. What's that? Is that yours? Yeah. Well, they finally helped me get it open, and after a while, this is what we found out inside. A leash, or harness, or whatever they might want to call this part for when they fly. It stretches around to about 20 feet. Different size latches for around their foot. I don't know what they're going to think about this. Let's go find out. What do you think of these latches here, Pickles? No, he don't like those. What are these? Yeah, those are for your feet. Can I have those back, please? Give me those. Thank you. Hey, let go. Get out, Shrek. Oh, see, Fiona, she is just so brave. What's that? Yeah, that's for your foot. Up there all sitting there waiting, eh? What's this? Pickles? Check it out, Pickles. Come on, don't be scared. Oh, Pickles is totally terrified. You took and opened it. Whoa. It's okay, Pickles. Here. Yeah, Pickles is very, very scared of this. I don't know why. What is this, Fiona? Shrek knows. It's not going to hurt you, is it? Yeah. Want to see Fiona? Pickles. Pickles? It's okay, Pickles. It's okay. Don't worry. And this is the leash. What's this? Yeah, nobody likes new stuff. Right? I don't like new stuff either when I don't know what it is. Can you check this out for us, B? Fiona, no? Okay, I don't blame you. I think they sort of know. That's a leash. I don't want to be a dog. Check back in later, see how she goes. Oh, here's some of their toys. They like kid toys. Fisher-Price, probably the best. Nice and easy to wipe off. And you know the color's not going to fade away too fast. But yeah, they like these little toys.
You can.
Saves me from trying to teach him noises. But I gotta get Pickles back to his little nesting area here. His little stern. Come on, Pickles. It's okay. I didn't mean to scare you, buddy. Yeah, Pickles our newest bird, and he's a little bit shy. He's only been here a couple weeks. But he's catching on, aren't you, Pickles? Okay, guys, we'll be back in a bit. And try out your harness. That was introduction to the harness. And leash. But I don't think they like it too much yet.